Jangan.
Halo guys, welcome back to M2EC Kursus Inggris. It's me, Indah. Oke, kemarin kan kita sudah belajar objek-objek yang ada di dapur. Nah, hari ini kita akan belajar kata kerja yang sering digunakan di dapur atau cooking verbs. Oke, kira-kira apa aja ya cooking verbs itu? Yuk, langsung saja kita simak videonya. Oke guys, yang pertama, melt. Melt. Sekali lagi, melt atau meleleh. I need to melt the butter. I need to melt the butter. Okay, very good. Yang kedua ada break. Break. Sekali lagi, break atau memecahkan. Oke, contoh kalimatnya seperti ini. Can you break 2 eggs? Can you break 2 eggs, please? Oke, selanjutnya yang ketiga. Fry. Fry. Sekali lagi, fry atau menggoreng. Contoh kalimatnya seperti ini. I will fry eggs for breakfast. I will fry eggs for breakfast. Selanjutnya, mix. Mix. Sekali lagi, mix atau mencampurkan. Contoh kalimatnya seperti ini. Can you mix the flour, sugar, and butter together in a bowl, please? Can you mix the flour, sugar, and butter together in a bowl, please? Oke, selanjutnya, chop. Chop. Sekali lagi, chop. Okay, very good. I need to chop the spring onions. I need to chop the spring onions. Okay, selanjutnya, slice. Slice. Sekali lagi, slice. Can I slice the onions? Can I slice the onions? Okay, very good. Selanjutnya, boil. Boil. Sekali lagi, boil. Okay, very good. The water needs to boil before you add the pasta. The water needs to boil before you add the pasta. Okay, selanjutnya, taste. Taste. Sekali lagi, taste. Would you like to taste the sauce? Would you like to taste the sauce? Sekali lagi coba. Would you like to taste the sauce? Okay, very good. Spread. Spread. Sekali lagi. Spread. I use a knife to spread the peanut butter on my toast. I use a knife to spread the peanut butter on my toast. Okay, very good. Okay guys, itulah beberapa kata kerja yang sering digunakan di dapur or kitchen. Nah, kalian kalau ada tambahan lagi, silahkan ditulis di kolom komentar ya. Okay guys, maybe that's enough for today. I hope you enjoyed it and don't forget to check out our website www.m2eckursusinggris.com and don't forget to follow our social media. See you and have a nice day.